Hey, my name is June. I am an art student in New York City, and I also make content here for fun. Today, I'm here in Kobe, Japan. I'm going to one of Japan's best waterfalls. It's called Nunobiki no Taki, and right now I am in kind of the bottom of, I guess you can call the mountain of where the waterfall is. I'm just gonna be hiking up, I think for around 15 to 20 minutes, and go to the 4 waterfalls here and also see if I can get some food up there. So let's get up there. So we are here in the first waterfall called the Mentaki. Mentaki is one of the lowest waterfalls here, and compared to the other ones, it's a lot more elegant, and it has 2 steps, so you can have fun watching both of those. And yeah, it's pretty amazing. The heat's not that bad right now, but it is decently hot, so it makes me want to go in and die. But this is only like 100 kilometers up, barely anything. I just went up some stairs and a little bit of a hill, so got a lot more to go. So let's go to the next one. Now that I've kind of seen everything, there's still a path upwards, and I don't really know where it's gonna take me, but I have a lot of time, and that only took like at most an hour. I don't even think it took an hour. I'll just keep going up and kind of show you guys if I find anything. So yeah, let's keep going. I've been walking for quite a bit now, and I'm gradually getting pretty tired, honestly. Walking up here, I was kind of looking for stuff to go or like look at, and I just found a sign that said that there's a reservoir and also a park. So I guess I do have a point or purpose in going up here. So I actually happened to walk into something pretty cool over here. This is another waterfall, and this apparently is caused from the reservoir, the dam. You can only see it when the dam is overflowing. So depending on the day, you couldn't see it, but I was lucky enough. Pretty cool. So I guess it's telling me to go on the road now. That's not too pleasant. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's like a shit ton of I hope those crows aren't hungry as I am. So, I finally made it. It took so long. I mean, it wasn't that bad honestly, but yeah, I'm not a very much outdoorsy person, so it's a lot for me. But I think you guys can kind of see I made it to the herb garden, the ropeway. So let's see if they have some food and also just see what this place is about. Yo, this hammocking place is crazy. What? You can see the view of it. Pretty good, but 900 yen for a hot dog is crazy. But actually it's a good reason because they use like a special honey, acacia honey, that I think they get here. And also, this was like 700 yen, which is also a little expensive, but they use like herbal salt that they grow here. They taste good, but I don't really taste the herb salt as much. The main dish, hot dog. I've been craving this, I think since college. I've been wanting to eat this. Not this specifically, but a hot dog. I think really good flavor. I really taste the honey for this. I guess if I had to rate it, fries, I think it'll be like a 3 out of 5. It's good, but there's definitely a lot of better options. The hot dog is a 4 out of 5. It tastes really good, but it's not really fresh because they like make it beforehand. so that they can serve it faster. You can tell that it was left there for a little bit. Taste-wise, it's really good, so I would recommend getting the hot dog if you're willing to pay the 900 yen. So I'm on the ropeway, or I think you call it like cable cars, and yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy it. Oh, yo! Oh, it's the hammock place that I was. Over there. That's where it was. I honestly can't believe that I walked up all through this from the bottom. But it was totally worth it, I think. Health-wise and also just experience. The views were amazing. And I'm pretty sure what I got to record on camera was also nice. So yeah, super happy with everything. Like all the way on the top of that, from that store over there, I walked. But yeah, that's about it for this video. A lot happened in only a few hours, but it was really fun and can't wait to do something like this again. So, I guess I'll see you guys sometime. Bye.